Yeah, Shape End is back here and we're gonna make a video. I was supposed to be on the Danube River with my rubber dinghy and my 15 horsepower Yamaha, but it turned out to be, it didn't idle, so I have to clean the carburetor. So let's go into it. I'll make a video about that, cleaning the carburetor. And I watched a video before how to do it, so that's even easier now. So let's go into it. We've got it here actually. Yeah, we've got... Let's go into the iPhones quickly. Yeah, I bought this iPhone a few months ago. It was the cheapest one. As you can see the camera. And yeah, for $520. That's the cheapest one actually. It's a bit of a smaller one. It's not like the other ones, like iPhone 13. I don't like big things. And you get these tracker chips with it too. You can put them in cars, or you can hide them in motors, or valuables you can put them in. Yeah, that's my old phone, you see. I always got this one with me. See, that's for the pensioners, big. Okay, so we got the tracker chips you can put in cars and such. One tracker chip cost $36, but I think it's a well invested money. You can put them in cars, like your girlfriend's cars, and you say, yeah, if they steal your car, we know where it is. And you can check if they're screwing around somewhere, like me on this motor here. So we have to screw around here and take the carburetor out. So it didn't idle, so we have to clean the carburetor. And I bought this one used from they make rubber boats in Austria, and this was just for 1 year. They, for the customers to check out the boat and such. So I bought it like a year, So let's check out see, that's the Yamaha. Right, let's make this other light here. See, that's this one here. And this other one is down here. As you can see, it's a 1969, 96. I bought it 97 probably, Never had 38 kilos. Is this motor heavy? Never had problems with it. Always started straight away. But this summer it didn't start. Even with the choke. So the petrol was old. I put new petrol in it. Started. Put new spark plugs in it. And it's not idling, So we're gonna clean the carburetor. And lucky enough, there was a nice video on YouTube how to clean the carburetor. So we're gonna clean it. I made a video about this too, what I did delete actually. stainless steel, and it's a really nice trolley. See? And it's got this one here too, so when you put it on the ground the water won't run into the cylinders. The trolley you have to have, actually it's 36 kilos. You can't shoulder it, you know, but if you get old it's not really ideal. So let's get into the carburetor. Yeah, as you can see, we have to disconnect these pieces here. It's pretty straightforward. It's got two bolts here you have to open up. And it's got this plastic on the choke. You have to undo that too. And that's that side here. Let's go to the other side. Where the fuel line is, you have to disconnect the fuel line, of course. That's where we have to, as you can see, the fuel line is in there. As you can see, we have to disconnect that piece there. And he says this plastic part we can leave in. So I'll show you when I've got it. I won't show you how I disassemble it because that's really boring. So we prepared some stuff here too, where we're going to put the carburetor in it. See, we got this beautiful table here, and this beautiful calendar, 2022. It's nice, and we got about 30 or 40 of these. It's got it's got some metal crimping here, you see, and I said to my boss, yeah, I need those, you know. And this is just on the other side, it's nice and white. So we can put this nicely on the table, as you can see. It fits perfectly. And it fits perfectly on this table too. But both sizes. I don't know if you have to cut anything. So if they're dirty, I'll just chuck them away. And it's like clear, it doesn't suck up the wheel, which this side does actually, which is good. And we've got a nice stainless steel. This was from a weighing machine actually, 60 kilos. It was, someone threw something on it and it just got too much weight on it and it was bent and couldn't be used. Of course I didn't throw it away. As you can see, it fits nice underneath the table here, you see. So this one's got wheels on it and goes into there. So we're going to put our carburetor in here, and we can't lose anything. It's just perfect. So I'll see you then when I've got the carburetor in here. Yeah, we're back again, and we got the carburetor out of the motor. Let's have a look. We got the swimmer. It's got debris on it everywhere, of course. So we're going to clean that. This has just got 4 screws on it. That's how I disassemble it. 4 screws are put in there. So we're going to clean it up here. It's got this brass. Don't know what that's for actually. Maybe if you got some water in it or something. but it's got a lot of debris in it. And as you can see, we're going to clean it up there. Got a lot of debris in there. I'm going to clean that up. See? And yeah, so that's the carburetor. And this, that's that piece there. It's still got a hole through it. This one was in there. And the other one, it's a 2-cylinder, so probably got 2 of those actually. Yeah, so this one here, take a quick close-up. As you can see, it's still got a hole in it. And the other side you can see all the stuff going on there. So we're going to clean that. I think that's a problem actually. So we're going to clean that and then going to assemble it again, try it. So that's the problem probably. All that oil in the petrol, because it is a 2-stroke, you know. So that's the problem, I think it is. And this other one here, it's also clear and everything. As you can see. So we're gonna some air pressure and gonna make it a bit mechanical. We're gonna use these toothpicks. Maybe we don't want to scratch anything, you know. So we're gonna clean it up, and this side we're gonna open up too, because it's got its ways. I'm gonna check that too. I won't show you that. We haven't got a carburetor cleaner, but we've got a throttle plate cleaner. I think that will do the trick too, I hope. Yeah, this is an old, I bought it for $2 actually. It didn't have any pressure on it. So we opened it. And we're using our syringe here. Gonna suck it up. And then we're gonna apply it to the surfaces we need to clean. And that is that. Like this surface here. So we will a carburetor cleaner. We'll probably buy a can if we get to it. Because I don't clean that often a carburetor, but we've got this stuff here, you know, so that'll do the trick too. And maybe tomorrow we'll be on the Danube River on a rubber dinghy. So thanks for watching. Normally I forget something. Yeah, we won't show you the assembling because it's a bit boring, you know, for some people. It's pretty straightforward, and I'll see you then. Oh, here we got the motor. I tried it again. It looks really cool actually. It does work. And I'm putting in the barrel because it's not that loud, you know, with the exhaust. I've got that rubber Steve piece you put on the hose. So let's go. Don't know if I need a choke anyway, but here we go. Let's try it out.